This is a certified pre-owned 2013 Ford C-Max Hybrid, powered by front-wheel drive, a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. With fewer than 30,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. With Ford certified pre-owned vehicles, peace of mind comes standard. Featuring a 172-point inspection, 24-hour roadside assistance, vehicle history report, 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty coverage. The features include push-button start, leather seats, heated seats, a home-link system, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync voice activation, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, aluminum rims, auto-dimming mirrors. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, rain-sensing wipers, independent suspension. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Seymour Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 2601 Seymour Road, Jackson, Michigan, 49201.